Right. Good morning, everyone. Right. For any of your doubts clarification, you need to follow me on Facebook. Okay. I hope already you have our Facebook link, Facebook account. This is our Facebook page. Okay. This is our Facebook page. And here you need to ask questions if you want. There is a message, send message, view as a visitor. So the page will be look like this for you. Okay. So you have to click on like button. If you have to click on like button here, then whatever the post I am sending, all the posts will be coming to you. So now if you want to contact me, you can click on this message box and you can write message to me. Okay, you can write message to me. I can get your messages. Okay, next, whatever I am sharing, the content will be immediately available to you. Clear? And I'm going to share some motivational videos and lot of things, not only subject related. So some morning wishes, motivational things. Okay, some English related videos. Okay, many things I will share there. Next, if you want to see the photos I am uploading every day, like your class related. Okay, you can get my details, my website and my mobile number. Okay, if you want to contact through Gmail, you can use Gmail. And next, your seniors telling reviews, if you want to see, you can see that. Okay, your seniors review, you can see. Okay, and I'm happy to say that. So only our page is having 4.9 rate out of 5. Yeah, one or two people will be there who will dislike us. That's obviously will be there. And next, if you want to see the photos, what are the different content photos I'm uploading, you can see that. Subject related photos I'm uploading here. Okay, and next, more. Okay, you can see videos, events, services, shop, something groups. Right. So this is our group. 26K members are there. In this group, you have to discuss with your roommates and your friends and your classmates. Okay. And this is the group link. Here, all your seniors and juniors are posting their questions. And if you ask questions, your seniors will answer. How to resolve this error, guys? Please help me. Now already helped. Okay. Now which faculty best for Python Naresh? Can anybody suggest? Okay. Next. Hello, Miss 2 p.m. string handling class because of raining here. Network issue missing. Something they're asking. Okay. Now. So, okay. From substring method, some program they have shared. So now here your seniors are asking questions. You can also ask your questions and you can continue happily. All doubts will be resolved here. Okay. Now this is the group. You have to join. I'm giving the 2 links. You have to follow from today onwards. This is the group. Click on it and you will be open this page, this group, and there you will find join button. Click on that link. You will come here. There you will find a button called join button. Click on join button. Okay. So then I'll get the request. I'll accept your request. Approve. Okay. Right. Okay. The next, this is the page. Okay. This is the page you need to I will send the things you have to follow. Yeah, I just created spoken English, but not started. Okay, this is the page you need to follow. So use the both the things. You can share your doubts or your problems, anything. Next, you need to follow our YouTube channel. Naresh IT YouTube channel also you must follow. Naresh IT YouTube channel you must follow. This is our Naresh IT YouTube channel. All the people click on subscribe button and follow. Daily we are sharing some important videos. Okay, some important videos we are sharing. Python videos, coding classes in Java videos, logical programming C sharp. Okay, so many videos. Look at the C program videos are there. Okay, so many interesting videos. My core Java videos, collection videos. Venkatesh sir, what do you call Srinivas sir. Okay, C program 71 videos are there. Okay, Kishore sir C++ videos are there. Data structure videos 36 videos are there. Okay, you can follow our YouTube channel. And next, you need to follow our website also. That is nareshit.com. Nareshit.com. Here you'll find new batches. Go to Hyderabad. Here you'll find all the new batches, whatever starting here. Okay, Python Sadish Gupta sir batch, real time project. Okay, DevOps, core Java, C language, UI technologies, advanced Java, HTML, JavaScript, Oracle. Okay, and next Unix, Linux, Android, core Java, MVC. Okay, Spring Boot microservices. Okay, right, what the new batches are starting, whichever the batch is suitable to you to find, you need to follow naresheti.com website. Okay, these are the totally four 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 links you need to follow for your daily interaction. Java Hari Krishna page, Java by Hari Krishna group, and next Naresh technology website, what do you call uh, YouTube channel, and next website. And also you need to follow Naresh website, Naresh Facebook page also there. Naresh Facebook page also there, you need to follow it. So here all the new batches related details we are posting. Here also posting. Okay. So 25th and 26th July, free workshop is there on Python, PyQt5, PyQt5. Okay, by Sadish Gupta sir. 25th and 26th July, 9 a.m. Okay. And next DevOps batch, Core Java batch. All the details, all the workshops, free workshops we are sharing here. You can follow it. Okay. So that is the details you need to know. I shared. Now come to the subject. What we are discussing in last class. I hope all you remember yesterday discussion. Did you watch those videos? Did you watch those videos? Okay. Can you tell me why Java 11 version onward JRE is not there? JRE is meant for a developer or meant for a customer? It is meant for a tester, meant for a customer. What the conclusion I have given? So our project is server-based application. In server, we have our project. In order to compile, execute this project, I need what? JDK here. Okay, I need JDK in server computer. Then this is my customer computer. Customer is accessing some part of the project here. Okay, and then the page is open. Now to this page, client page, UI page, End user is interacting, enter his data, submitting data. Now this program, if it is developed in applet, applet is a client side executing program. If this program is developed in applet, in order to run this applet program in the client system, I need JRE software. Okay, but now the applet program is outdated. Okay, in place of applet, what we are getting? HTML. By using HTML, front end screens are developing. To run HTML, we no need of any special software, only we need a browser is sufficient. Okay, only browser is sufficient. So now, because there is no applet, because there is no applet, and because there is no need to run anything in the client system about Java programs, JRE is not required. Because JRE is not required from Java 11 version onwards, we no need of any from Java 11 version onwards, we no need of any what you call JDK software. JRE software we not required. Hence in Java 11 version, JRE is removed, only JDK is there. Is it clear? Yeah, guys, can you please wait for 5 minutes? Please wait for 5 minutes. Please wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Please wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, thank you. So I'm back. So I hope you got clarity on in Java 11 version why JRE is not there. Because from Java 11 version onwards, Sun Microsystem officially declared client-side applications must develop by using HTML, not by using Java. Okay, Java applets are removed from the market. Okay, so now GUI applications, okay, graphical user interface based applications, GUI applications in Java also, people are developing by using HTML, JavaScript, Angular, React. Hence, client-side applications development is not there in Java. Client computers doesn't require JRE software. Hence, JRE is removed, unnecessary additional maintenance. Is it clear? Up to Java 10 version, we have JRE, JDK. From Java 11 onwards, we do not have JRE. We have only JDK. Then next, now, what is the difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, JIT? I have clearly given you in the video this diagram and explanation I given, right? So in this, the same diagram explanation I given. So if you install JDK from Java 11 version onwards, we have only JDK. As part of JDK, we have development tools, compiler, other tools, and JRE, Java runtime environment, everything we are getting as part of JDK. Okay, and then now in today class, let us try to move to the next section, that is installing JDK software. It's a folder structure. Java 9.11 version changes in the JDK folder structure. Is it clear? So up to 7 points, all the people comfortable? Any questions you have? If you understand these 7 points, then next story will be easy for you. If you have any doubts in these 7 points, please raise questions. I'm ready to explain. If no doubts, then we'll go for 8th point. Okay. Now, before going to download JDK, you should understand one point. Before downloading JDK, you should understand one point. What is that? Listen carefully. JDK, what is JIT? You didn't watch video Nomala Chandrasekhar? You didn't watch that videos? Then in that video already there now, why you are asking again what is JIT? Already explained na? Ask if you have any doubt. That's it. Then why you are raising again the same question? It's meant for improving the performance. Interpreter is running the program. Interpreter is slow in execution. To help to the interpreter, JIT is used. Right? Yeah, that's all. What else you want? Then what else you wanted to know? What is JIT means? That's it, na? JIT is a compiler, just-in-time compiler. It's a compiler software which is part of runtime environment. It helps the interpreter to run the program execution fast. Okay. Yeah. We have decompiler softwares. We can decompile the source code and we can see. Venkatesh. We have decompiler softwares. The compiled code we can see in the source code format. Possible. All right. Then tell me, now moving to the next story. You wanted to install JDK software. Then now you need to ask question, which version JDK I must install? Okay. Which version JDK we must install? This point is very important. This point is very important. Which version JDK we must install? Oh, come on, everyone try to answer. Which version JDK you want to install? Okay. There is a terminology called latest version and number 2, stable version. What a latest version and stable version. Okay. Which version JDK we must install? Whenever the question come to your mind, 2 things will come: latest version, stable version. Okay. In latest version, in stable version, again we have 2 terminology. What is that? Again we have 2 terminology. What is that? Major version and minor version. Okay, again we have two terminologies, major version and minor version. So what is the meaning of major version? What the meaning of minor version? What the meaning of stable version? What the meaning of latest version? We must know, na? Then only we can continue for other terminology. So whenever you take a version in JDK software, we have latest version, stable version. Again, latest version, stable version have major version, minor version. What the meaning of them? Let us try to understand. Latest version is nothing but new release. Newly released JDK is called latest version. Okay, for example, JDK JDK hyphen 11 is latest version. Sorry. JDK hyphen 14 is latest version. Understand? JDK 14 is the latest version. Okay, then what is stable version? A version that doesn't have any bugs. A version that doesn't have any bugs. Okay, a version that doesn't have any bugs. Bugs means what? Errors. Tell me, whenever you take any new product or you take any new product or new software, there are some problems will come, unknown hidden problems will be there. Even though it is fully tested, sometimes unknown hidden problems are there. When you buy any mobile, then immediately you are asking question, is there any warranty? Is there any warranty to this mobile? Is there any guarantee this mobile? Why? Because even though it is tested in the lab, even though it is tested in the company, even though it is released as a no problem mobile, there is a chance while we start using it may work, it may not work, it may create some problem. So now that problems are called what? Bugs. Then once a product is released in the market, there is a chance that some bugs or some errors may come. So now if those bugs are coming repeatedly, if you develop the project execution every time it is failed na. So a version that doesn't have any bugs, all bugs are fixed. All bugs are fixed. All bugs are fixed means what? Solved. Fixed is nothing but solved. All bugs are fixed or solved. Is called what? Stable version. Stable version. For example, now JDK 1.8 JDK 1.8.0 is stable version. Okay, is a stable version. The next, now JDK hyphen 11 version is also next stable version. Next stable version. We have two stable versions. We have JDK 1.8 and JDK 11. Two stable versions we have. All are catching my point? We have two stable versions, JDK 1.8 and JDK 11 are the stable versions. Is it clear? Then now I have a question. Tell me, which version we use in company? Tell me, sir. Which version we use in project development? Which version we use to develop projects? Tell me, stable version or latest version? We use stable version. We use stable version. Okay, we use stable version. Then now currently people are using okay, currently 90%, not 90, 95 I can say. Even I can say 99. 99% of projects are developing by using 99% of projects are developing by using JDK 1.8, JDK 1.8.0. Okay, so 1.8.0 underscore XXX. XXX is minor version. Okay, right. So this is the version we are using. Now, very few companies are migrating to JDK 11.0 underscore, sorry, point XXX version. Okay, everyone understand which version we use to develop the project? We must use, always we must use a stable version. Tell me, anybody wish to dare to use the latest version? No, na. Latest version we will get some problems, right? So if the problems are coming in the project, we will face problem. The next, which version we must learn? Okay, which version we must learn? Tell me, as a student, which version we must learn? Bolo, stable version. Ma bangar control. Okay, stable version. You will learn stable version. As a student, if you learn stable version, you will be called outdated candidate. Okay, you will be called outdated candidate. You will not be useful for anything. In a company, people will use stable version. Right. As a student, which version you must learn? We must always learn new version or latest version. Okay, we must always learn latest version. Okay, what is the latest version now? Latest version JDK hyphen 14.0.xxx. Okay, this XX means what? These are the minor version. I'll tell you. This is changing. This version number changing. That's I'm writing XXX. Okay. Now in this year September, spelling correct as September. Okay, let me write Sept. In this year September 17th. September 17th, we will get next new version JDK hyphen 15.0. Okay, JDK hyphen 15.0 we will get. That time we will learn again JDK 15 also. That's my point. So this is the first point you need to understand. Which version JDK we must learn. Okay, now first we need to understand latest version is there, stable version is there. Under latest version and stable version, we have again major version, minor version is there. So newly released JDK is called latest version. For example, JDK 14 is the newly released. A version that doesn't have any bugs, all bugs are fixed, is called what? Stable version. Any of you remember when ATM is released in the market, when ATMs first introduced to the market, any of you are withdraw the money, if you ask your parent, he will tell you, many times your parents are maybe face the problem. After money deducted from your account, money deducted from the account, but that money is not returned to us. Money is not given to us. So money deducted, but money not pushed out from the ATM machine. So that is a bug of the ATM machine software, right? What do you say? That is the bug of the ATM machine software, right? So later, after 1 week, now that money will be added to your account back. So now that is called bug. Okay. So then later, slowly, now that problem got resolved. So money, if not, money is not dispatched from the ATM to you, within few seconds, the money will be added back to your account. Right. So if you observe online transfer also, now online transfer, okay, you are doing, you are purchasing something online. You are buying some products on the online. When you buy the product, your payment is completed, but I mean, your deduction is completed, but payment is got failed. Okay, you money is deducted from your bank account, but the payment is not added to um, okay, payment is not added to your Flipkart or Amazon. Then what happened to that money? Earlier it took 1 week to 10 days to come back to your account, but now within few seconds you are going to get your money back to your account. All are catching my point? So now the final conclusion is what? Earlier we have bugs. Those bugs are fixed slowly. Okay, once the Flipkart app is introduced to the market and people have started using, so many unknown problems will be started arising. Those problems are slowly solved, and finally the Flipkart and Amazon product make it as what? Stable. So when there is no problems are coming, we call it as a stable. Now it is stable. Okay. Then next, let me come to the point. What is major version? Okay, the major version is nothing but the main version number. The main version number is called is called is called what do you call a major version. The main version number is called major version. Okay. The next, for example, what is that? JDK. Let's say JDK 1.8.0 is called what? Major version. The next, what is a minor version? Okay, what is a minor version? Minor version is nothing but subversion in the major version. Subversion in the major version is called minor version. Everyone understand the difference between major version and minor version? For example, very important. For example, JDK 1.8.0. What is this? This is major version. This is major version. Okay, this is major version. In this major version, we have JDK 1.8.0 underscore 01. This is 01. This is 01. This is 01. is called what? Minor version. Erabuji, all you people understand? And next, like this major version number is continued. Second, third major version, like this, like this. It is a continued dot dot dot. Now the latest major version is JDK 1. The latest major version is JDK 1.8.0. Some 221 or 251 is there. Let us verify. Let us check. Okay. Let's go to Google. Let's go to Google and type here JDK 1.8 download. JDK 1.8 download. And now if you go down, you will see the major version number. Look at there. What is the version number now? JDK-8 update 261. 8 is a major version. In that major version, update means minor version. What is that? 261. So current minor version is what? 261. So then why we are getting these minor versions and major versions? Okay, why we are getting minor versions? Very simple. I told you bugs are there, na? In every major version, we will get some bugs. Okay, all the bugs are fixing and releasing complete version with the minor version number. Okay, these many bugs they found and they have added all the solutions to that. And some other internal small enhancements they are doing, which are not that much important impacting versions. Okay, so this is the story about major version, minor version, all the details. Everyone understand? Can I hope all you people got clarity? First of all, what is a version? First of all, you need to answer what is a version? Any of you have come across this point? Okay, what is a version? A version is nothing but a unique identity, a unique number. It may be a digit, it may be a numeric or alphanumeric. It may be numerical, alphanumeric. A unique number, okay, a unique number. What is unique number? A numeric or alphanumeric, a unique number that is used for identifying, the new features of a software, that is used for identifying new features of a software is called version. What do you feel? Understand? So what is a version? A version is nothing but a unique number that is used for a unique number, using which I can say, using which we can identify new features of a software is called a version. Tell me, every software has a version. For example, if you consider, tell me, for example, if you consider Oracle, let's say Windows, you take Windows 8 there na. Windows first Windows 5, first version Windows 5 was anything is there? I didn't remember. My journey started from Windows 98. Windows 97 also there, yeah. Windows 97, and next Windows 98, Windows 99 also there, Windows 2000 also there, 2000 millennium something is there. Okay, Windows 2000 millennium, right? And also we have Windows XP, Windows 2000 millennium, after Windows XP, Windows what do you call Windows Vachusa something is there, I didn't remember. Okay, right. So like this, now latest version of Windows is what? Latest version of Windows is what? Windows 10 now, na? Right now it is Windows 10. Okay, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, something like Windows 10, Windows 17 also there. Oh my god. Windows 17 came. Shivam, Windows 17 came. If you come to Oracle, my Jamana started from Oracle 8. Before 8, we have some other. Oracle 8i, I hope. Oracle 8i, Oracle 9i. Okay, Oracle 9i, Oracle 9i. Next, Oracle 10G, Oracle 11, Oracle 11, 11G na, 11R, 11G, Oracle, Oracle 12R, Oracle 12R, 12C na, yeah, 12C, Oracle 12C, right? Now, so these are the versions of Oracle. So what the use of version numbers? Version numbers are used for identifying the features. Now, for example, now come to Java. Java version numbers. Based on the Java version numbers, the features will be identified. For example, if you mention in your resume Java, okay, Java version number 8 used, Java 8 used, then immediately interviewer will come to know, oh, this candidate knows about Lambda expressions, knows about default methods, static methods, okay, Lambda expression, method reference, stream API, okay. Oh, he know all these things. If you mention Java 9 version, oh, this candidate knows now module system, okay, this candidate know module system, and he candidate know JShell usage, okay, like this he will come to know, okay, different version numbers. Based on the version number you are mentioning, now interviewer will come to know what are the different concepts you know. If you mention latest version Java 14 version, then he will feel that, oh, this person know switch as expression, he can know how to use a switch as a expression, okay, wonderful. So like this, okay, interviewer feeling that based on the version numbers you are using, interviewer will can take the decision, okay, what questions to ask, what features you have used in the project, what questions to ask, he will come to know. Is it clear? By version number we are going to mention what is that, the new features released. Then there is a one question, one student asked the question, sir, is syntaxes, are there any syntaxes, are there any changing from version to version? Okay, what is your feeling, Baba? Are there any syntaxes changing from version to version? If syntaxes are changing from version to version, then how can you say it is a same language, Ravi? Tell me. Now, year by year, you are going to growing up, na? Tell me, your face expressions, face feelings, face changing? Your face features are changing? You are suddenly changing to a new person? Some more changes will come. New things are added, new ideas are added, right? Syntaxes are not changed. Program development syntaxes are not changed. Program development syntaxes are not changed. Tell me, if program syntaxes are changed, previous version JDK developed program can work with a new version JDK? If you develop JDK 7 one program, now with JDK that program executed or not executed? Not executed, na? So program development syntaxes are not changed. Only new features are added. Only new features are added to simplify programming, to decrease number of lines, number of lines of program. Okay, program development syntaxes are not changed. Only what happened? Number of lines, new features are added to decrease number of lines of the code, to change, to decrease. That's it. Only new features are added to simplify programming, to decrease number of lines of the code. To decrease number of lines of the code. Everyone understand that? Okay, this is a very important discussion. Everyone should have awareness. What is a version? Which version JDK we must use? Latest version or stable version? In latest version, which we use? Major version or minor version? Can you tell me? Either you take latest version or you take stable version. Which version you are going to use? Major version or minor version? Always we use minor version because minor versions are come up with what? Minor versions are always come up with bug fixing. Next, what is a major version? What is the latest version? What is a major version? The main version number is called major version. What is a minor version? A subversion in a major version is called minor version. What is a new release? Okay, what is a what do you call a latest version? Newly released JDK is called latest version. What is a stable version? A version that old version, I can say old version. A old version that doesn't have any bugs are called what? Are called what? Stable version. Okay, which version we use in developing projects? Always we use stable version. Currently, people are using JDK 8. Now, few companies are migrating to JDK 11. Right? Why not 9 to 10, sir? I will tell you now. Okay, why not 9 to 10? I will tell you now. Next, as a student, which version we must use? We must learn. We must always learn latest version. For example, JDK 14 minor version you must learn. In this year, September 17, we will get a new version JDK 15.0. Up to now, understand? Right. There is also one more terminology there. You should know it. Long-term support, non-long-term support. What is that? We also have one more word called long-term support and non-long-term support. LTS and non-LTS. Long-term support and non-long-term support. Where? Okay. Program syntaxes are, thank you. Okay. Then come to the point. What the meaning of long-term support? What the meaning of non-long-term support? LTS and non-LTS. Okay. Simple point. Observe. If a, if a okay, whenever when a new version is released, then old version JDK download is stopped. Old version JDK bug fixing and download is stopped. Then we call that version as non long term support. Okay, I lost the power. Okay, let me save this. I lost power, and I will rejoin once power came back. You people be stay there. Okay, I'll rejoin once power came. You please be stay there. Don't go anywhere. Is it clear to all? Right. Are you able to hear me? Hello? Are you able to hear me now? Okay, so we are trying to understand long-term support and non-long-term support. When a new version is released, the old version JDK bug fixing and download is stopped, then we call that version as non-long-term support. Okay, if still support is there, then we call it as long-term support. Okay, now tell me, which version is a long-term support? JDK 1.8.0 and next to JDK 1.8, JDK 11. JDK 1.8 and JDK 11 are long-term support versions. Okay, so what the meaning of it? Now, after JDK 1.8, we got JDK 9, right? JDK 9, but still JDK 8 is available and its a download is available. It bug fixing is also available. JDK 11, after that JDK 12 came, JDK 13 came, JDK 14 came, but still it is available for download and use. Okay, it's called long-term supports. Now, what are the versions are not long-term support? What versions are not long-term support? Come on. What versions are non long-term support? JDK hyphen 9.0, JDK hyphen 10.0. Okay, point 0 is not required. You can ignore it, no problem. JDK hyphen 12, JDK hyphen 13, and even JDK hyphen 14 is also or non long-term support. Okay, is it clear? So these versions are non-long-term support. Once JDK 15 is released, now JDK 14 is not available for download. And if you face any problems in that version, now Oracle Corporation will not fix those problems. You will be forced to move to JDK 15. Is it clear? Now let us try to test these points in Google. Now I'm going there. I'm trying to download JDK 1.8. Look at there, JDK 1. Download page I got, and I'm downloading. I'm allowed to download. Which version you want, that version you can download. Is it clear? Now I am trying to download now JDK 9. JDK 9 download. Okay, JDK 9 download. If I click on JDK 9, look at there, you are taken to Java archive downloads. Okay, that means look at that, the JDK is a development environment for build application using Java. JDK includes tools on these older version of JRE or JDK are provided to help developers bug issues in older system. Okay, so they are not updated with the latest security patches and are not recommended for use in the production. Do you understand the warning? Java SE 9 version, if you are trying to download, we are getting this is the message. So production use Oracle recommends download the latest JDK and JRE versions and allow auto update. Only developers and enterprise administrators should download these releases. Okay, downloading these releases require an oracle.com account. If you don't have oracle.com account, you can use the links on the top of this page to learn more about the register for one for free. You can freely create the account, you can download. For current Java releases, please consult Java software development page. Okay, everyone understand? JDK 9 up to which minor version releases are happen? Up to 4. Up to JDK hyphen 9.0.4 up to 4, these releases happen. From there onwards, they stopped. Okay, fine. Then next, if you try JDK 10 version, same archive page you will get. Look at the Java 10 archive. And next, now I am trying with 11. 11. Look at their archive coming up, main downloads page you are coming up. Java main release you are getting. So click on this download link. Now, thank you for downloading this release platform. Important Oracle JDK license update. Okay. See also Java development license. Okay. Development. Okay. What is the minor version running? In Java 11, what is the minor version running? Java hyphen 11.0.8 version. Okay, now 8 version is a minor version. Now Java JDK 11.0.8. This is a long-term support version. Okay, then now let me try 12. Okay, let me try 12 download. Look at there, what the link I'm getting? What the link I'm getting? Archive downloads, because it is not a long-term support. It's a end of life. Okay, so Java 11 has announced end of life. End of life, EOF, end of life, EOL, sorry, EOL, end of life. Okay, this is means end of life. That means once it is new version is released, this non long term support version will be announced as end of life. Then next, let me try with 13 version. 13 version is also end of life. Click on it. Yeah, JDK 13 still it is available for download. It's not yet declared as an end of life because 14 is latest release in 14 is latest release. That's why 13 still available for download. Maybe in the next month, maybe it may be declared as an end of life. Is it clear? It is also not long-term support version. Clear? And then now the latest version is what? Java 14. Now you can go for Java 14 download. This Java 14.1 came. Look at that Java SE downloads. Java SE downloads page. Look at that Java SE 11 long-term support. This is Java SE 14. Next to Java SE 14, what is available? Java SE 11 long-term support. Java SE 8 update 261 long-term support. Okay, right? So remaining all are hiding from us. So latest version and long-term support are available to download. Click on JDK download. Then you'll come to this page. And then here you have the download. JDK 14.0 is the latest minor version. Babu Buji, whatever I have explained, all points you understand? All points, whatever I have explained in this slide, every point, all you people comfortable? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask. Next, there is another concept called, one more point you need to know. There is another concept called OpenJDK, OpenJDK and Oracle JDK. Okay, OpenJDK and Oracle JDK. There are two JDKs are there. Okay, na? Now JDK software available two flavors, OpenJDK, Oracle JDK. From which version onwards, this division we got, strictly this division we got. Earlier also we have, but strictly this division we got from Java 11 onwards. From Java 11 onwards, we have OpenJDK and Oracle JDK, two JDKs. Remember in the features I told you, from Java 11 version onwards, Java is commercial, Java is open source, I told you, na? Okay. Now OpenJDK is open source. That means it's freely available to download. Okay, na? Right. So OpenJDK is open source. It's a freely available. You can download it free, no problem. And next, the problem with OpenJDK now, what do you call? Security patches are not given. Security patches are not given with that. If you are facing any security related issues, then Sun Microsystem is not responsible for that. Okay. So if you want to just use for testing purpose, you can use OpenJDK. Okay. Or if you feel that no problem, there is no security related issues will not come to me, then now happily you can use OpenJDK for your project development. Again, not missing. You know, every time I'm missing this not here. Because negative word is, generally my mind will not accept. In company also, many times I did this mistake. While writing mails, not place, I didn't write not. Then my manager is asking, working or not working? No, not working. Array, Tumri fellow, you have written working, Ravi. Oh, sorry, it's not working. Okay, fine. So now security patches are not given with it. Next, OpenJDK is not suitable for production projects to develop. Not suitable for let me bring this slide also here. Boringa? Okay, not suitable for developing commercial apps. Okay, all these points are Boringa. Lot of 3 points. Boring points are very important. Okay, boring points are very, very important. Whenever you feel bored, immediately tell to your mind, Amma, it's very important. Okay, and next tell me, Oracle JDK. Whenever you feel bored, immediately tell to your mind, you are feeling bored, then it is very important. And tell me, Oracle JDK. Tell me, Oracle JDK is commercial or free? Na? 2 points you need to tell. Free for learners and testers. Free for learners and testers. If you want to just test, it's free, no problem. If you want to just learn, it's free, you can download. But commercial for commercial for commercial for, or you can say customers, commercial for production projects. Can I say like this? Production, commercial for production projects to run for customers. And next, we will get security. Security patches are given. And next, it is suitable for developing commercial apps. Okay. So next, from where we have to download OpenJDK? OpenJDK is available at openjdk.net site. Okay. OpenJDK is available where? Where it is available? You need to download na? Where it is available. Okay, OpenJDK is available to download at openjdk.net, openjdk.net site, website. And now where Oracle JDK is available? Oracle JDK is available is available to download at oracle.com. Okay, now oracle.com website. So these are the very important differences between OpenJDK and Oracle JDK. Can I hope all you understand? So this is also very important question asking what is the difference between OpenJDK and Oracle JDK. So this is the complete story about JDK versions, latest versions, stable versions. Do you have any questions? You please ask. If every point is clear, we'll go for next slide. If you have any doubts, please ask. So new features, if you wanted to know, you have to visit same openjdk.net. openjdk.java.net, I guess. 1 minute. Website name, I hope I given wrong. Yeah, openjdk.java.net. Yeah, website name is openjdk.java. Not openjdk.net, openjdk.java.net. Here you will find all the new features details you will find here. For all new features list in latest version, visit okay, let me show you that. Okay, now I come to openjdk.java.net. Look at here. Here given all the details. What is this? Download and install the open source JDK for most updates. JDK 9 and later, JDK 8, JDK 7, JDK 6. Okay. As an example, the archives for JDK 13 may be found on this. Oracle JDK, binary Windows Mac OS will be available here. Go to jdk.java.net. Yeah, ready for use JDK 14. Click on JDK 14. Okay, so now here we have uh, the builds. Okay, you can download for Linux this one, Mac OS this one, Windows this. For Windows you have zip format. You can click on this zip and you can download. Okay, so java.jdk.java.net.14. This is OpenJDK website link. Open JDK, open JDK 14 download link. Okay, na? This is a open JDK download link. Then next. Now, if you want to see the different features, okay, different features available with JDK 14, if you want to see, if you scroll down left side, if you scroll down, you will find JDK 14, 15, 16. Click on 14. Okay, these are the JDK 14 all features. These many features are there. Pattern matching, for instance, of packing tool. Okay, NUMA aware memory allocation for G1, JFR event streaming, non-volatile mapping byte buffer, helpful null pointer exception, record switch expression, deprecate the Solaris and Spark ports, remove the concurrent mark sweep algorithm. Okay, right, like this. These are the total, these many features are there. All the features list. Sir, I want to know 13 features. Click on this JDK, then you will come to 13 number, click on 13 features. Okay, only few features are there in 13. Are you catching my point? So this is the basic, the link you have to follow for knowing the new features. openjdk.java.net. Okay, comfortable? Then if you want Oracle JDK, what is the link for Oracle JDK to download? Simple. Go to JDK 14, JDK 14 to download. Click on JDK 14 to download. So you will get the link. Now click on here. So by default, when you type JDK, by default, it is coming to oracle.com. Look at that, oracle.com. Okay, oracle.com. Here we have Windows. Okay, Windows version. So this is the link for downloading. Okay, for Oracle JDK to download. Oracle JDK 14 to download. This is a big link. Okay, I hope it's clear to all. Got clarity? So whatever you learn up to now, are you feeling time waste or useful? This almost 1 hour we spend on this information. Are you feeling useful? Some students are there, they feel, why you waste all these points? Why you are talking all these points? Okay. If you're feeling this is a time waste, you will realize this class importance when you are planning to attend interviews. When you are planning to attend interviews in a company, you will realize the importance of today class. Okay. When interviewer asks a question, do you know anything about long-term support, non-long-term support? Chiche, what nonsense you are asking? Ask me how to write hello world program, I will tell you. Right? Tell me how to write hello world program. Tell me how to write adding two numbers program. Tell me how to write, ask me how to write, displaying star in a pyramid shape, knee face. Okay. Other my friend face shape. Okay. Useless fellows. So this is a very, very important topic. If you are not aware of these topics, then you will face a lot of problems in future. Next, the complete version history, if you wanted to know, just you go there, type Java versions history. When it is started, when it is ended, Java version history Wikipedia. Click on this version history page. Okay. Now look at there. Complete information they have provided here. Version, release date, end of free. Okay, extended support until, right, first JDK beta version released in 1995. JDK 1.0 released in which year, which month? Okay, now Java SE7. Look at the Java SE8 long-term support, March 2014 released. Okay, right. January 2019 onwards, January 2019 onwards, JDK 8 also become commercial. Okay, it is also commercial and it is available. Java SE 80 available up to December 2030. Understand? Java SE 8 as a long-term support available. The support is available until until December 2030. It is available. Okay, Java SE 9, Java SE 10, not long-term support. Okay, next look at that. Java SE 11 long-term support. It is available. Look at that. September 220. This extended support. Okay, so end of free public updates. End of free public updates will be stopped by what January. Look at there. So December 2020 for Oracle, at least May 2026, at least June 2023. Okay, not 2030. This is extended support. This is the end of the date. Okay, next. Now if you take Java SE 11, its support will be there until 2024. August 2024 it will be there. Extended support up to September 2026 will be there. Okay, so 12 13 gone, then currently 14 running. 14 is also not long term support. 15 also not long term. 16 also not long term. Java SE 17 is again long term support. 17 version is long term support. Okay, so now if you want to know complete version history, long term support, short term support, all the details, if you want, you just go through this link. Okay, go through that link, you will get more clarity. So I have given you complete information to you and I will share that slide to you. You can happily go through once. I will update in our Facebook page. You can go through once. Yeah, I'll share these images in our Facebook page. You can collect from there. Okay, now? Any questions from this discussion? Any questions from discussion? Okay, so before installing JDK, before installing JDK, to know about its folder structure, first you should have a knowledge on Java versions and editions. Long-term support, LTS stands for long-term support. LTS stands for long-term support. Okay, so this is the complete table for knowing about all the details. Java name, it's a principal products, code name, release date, editions. Okay, I will explain you this table once again later, not now. I'll explain you once again this table later. I will explain. Okay, so Java 8 is LTS, Java 11 is LTS. So I'll explain you this table once again in the coming classes. I told you Sunday I will take class now. Sunday I will explain you that topic. Now Java release dates, at least a few dates you have to remember. Okay, right. Sun Microsystems released the first public implementation of Java 1.0 on January 23rd, 1996. This is the first public implementation. The next, it promised write once run anywhere. And next, its version was released as 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Already I told you 5.0, 1.56, 1.67, 1.7, 8, 1.7. From 9 onwards, there is no 1.9, 1.10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then up to Java 9, we used to get the Java new releases either for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years once. From Java 9 version, from Java 10 onwards. After Java 9, from Java 10 onwards, Oracle Corporation introduced Java for every 8 months. Okay. Then next, now Java 8 released on May 18th, 2014. Java 9 released on September 21st, 2017. At least you need to by heart these version number release dates. Important. Java 10, Java 11, Java 12, Java 13, Java 14. Okay, Java 14 released on March 17, 2020. Java 15 about to release on September 17th, 2020. Okay, so these are the release date and version history and everything. So now it's the time you need to understand JDK, installing JDK. Okay, how to install JDK? Already shown you clearly. Come on, tell me how to install JDK. And now go to Google, type JDK 13 download. When I was preparing this one, JDK 13 is there. Now you type a 13 or 14. JDK 14. You are a student. You must learn up to latest version. So JDK 14 download. And then now you will get this link. Click on this first link. Then you'll come to this page. Scroll down. You'll find all these pages. Click on this accept license agree button. Then click on. Okay. Now click on. Look at there. There are two ways of installing JDK software. Either as exe file you can install or as a zip file you can install. Either as exe file or as a zip file you can install. Okay, in any ways you can install either zip file or exe file. Okay, let me install as a exe file. Click on that exe file, then download is started. Okay, download is started. After downloading, you click on that exe file. Then this is the startup window will come. Then click on next. Okay, click on next. Then when you click on the next button, then it will show you where it is going to install. Okay, don't install in program files. In between space is there, na? The space creates some problem. So that's why I'm recommending you change the path. Click on change button. Click on change button. And here carefully you remove program files Java slash. Program files Java slash and make it as cjdk-13.0.1. This is 13 version. You are downloading 14 version. And then now finally this is the version coming. And then installation started. Within few seconds installation is completed. Over. Let us try to install now. Okay, already have installed JDK 14. Now I wanted to uninstall it. Okay, how to uninstall? Go to control panel, uninstall a program, select JDK 14, uninstall. Yes, preparing to remove. Remove, yes. Okay, it's removed. Close this. Now I'm installing. Please watch. Go to browser. Go to browser. Type JDK 14 download. Then you'll get to here. Java SE downloads page. Don't click on first link. Come to second link. That is archive old versions. Okay, click on Java SE downloads. Then you will come to Java SE downloads. And here you have Oracle JDK download. Click on this. Yeah, we can download multiple versions of JDK. I'll tell you that later. Then now come to down. You will find JDK 14 0.2. 14 is a major version. 2 is what? Minor version. Now here your operating system. I told you JDK software is platform dependent, right? You have two JDK softwares are there. Windows. You have to select Windows or macOS, Linux. Sorry, support is not there. Windows version you have to download and install. Windows, there are two versions are there, two flavors are there, as a zip file or as a exe file. Click on as exe file. The moment you click on exe file, it is asking, now click on this checkbox. Click on this checkbox saying that I received and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement. Okay, just click on download button. Then the download is started. Wait for a few seconds, it will download. Okay, now download is completed. Then now click on this exe file link. Okay, click on yes. Okay, then click on next button. Now click on change. I told you change the path, change path. Now remove this part very carefully. 2 double slashes will come, 1 slash you remove. Finally, make sure the path is carefully look at the C:/JDK. Carefully look at the path. CJDK -14.0.2. Then click on OK. Then look at there. Click on next. Both are same, Santosh. There is no difference between exe files and zip file. If you have WinRAR software in your system, download it, extract it. Okay. If you don't have WinRAR software in your system, download exe file and double click. If you want to open WinRAR you want to open zip files, you need WinRAR, na? Some people are happy with exe files, some people are happy with zip files. So both formats they have provided. That's all. Installation is over. Click on OK button. Okay, that's it. Installation is completed. If you carefully observe in your system, if you go and observe in your system, JDK 14 is installed. C drive, JDK 14 is installed. These are the previous versions. JDK software is already installed. This is the latest version. Today installed 724 1051. Okay, can I hope all the people download, install JDK 14 and come? All the people install JDK 14. Yeah, in your systems and laptops, install JDK 14 and come tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue remaining story. Can I hope this 5 days classes are useful to all? Can I hope all the people benefited of this 5 days classes, this week 5 days classes? So all these points are clearly there in the textbook. Okay, please read once. Version related information is also there in the textbook, not in the Xerox material. Okay. Are Satyaban, you have brain or not, Rababu? Do you have brain or not? Before asking questions, please don't raise dirty questions. Which is better, LTS or non-LTS? This is a meaningless question, Rababu. How can I answer to your question? Which is better, LTS or non-LTS? Meaningless. Wake up. LTS means it is available until it is available forever. Non-LTS means it is available only for up to the next version is released. Once next version is released, then non-LTS version download will be stopped. It is not available, declared as end of life. That's it. And which is useful, which is better, and what I can say. Non-LTS will be available for download for multiple versions. If you don't want latest features, then only work with the old version, which is LTS. And no, I want latest features. Always you work with the latest version. Then if it is a non-LTS, it is available up to next version. For example, JDK 14 you install. No, JDK 15 released. JDK 14 will not available for a download. You have to work with the JDK 15. JDK 14, all features are available with JDK 15 plus JDK 15 new features. Yes or no? Come on, buddy. Don't ask the type of stupid questions here. You cannot install JDK software in the mobile. In mobile, you have to install apps. Okay. Java program development, one app is there. IDE something is there. Go and check. That one you have to install. It come up with background online compilers. Okay, in mobile you cannot install JDK. Only in system you can install JDK. No, not the Saturday, Sunday. Not the Saturday, Sunday. Next coming Saturday, Sunday, somewhere else I will cover. Coming future coming Saturday, Sunday I will cover. Okay, all the people open this volume 1A textbook. Yeah, AIDE mobile app. If you want to work with mobile, use the mobile app AIDE. Okay, in volume 1A textbook, if you scroll down, you'll find today explanation. Look at that. Different environments exist in the real-time project. Page number 27. Page number 27. Different environments existed. Okay. Asha Singh. Asha Singh. Watch this video. You will understand it. Okay. Watch this video. Okay. Different environments exist in real-time projects development. Then you will understand it. Tomorrow again, I will explain you anyways. Java versions and editions. Okay. Major version, minor version. Okay. Right. So I have explained with 1.7 version. Okay. Version number is the different, but the concept is what? Same. Is it clear? And then now this table I have given. Next, Java software JDK installation, how to install JDK software. So I have explained with JDK 7, but the way you need to search and download any version is same. Here I given every point clearly with JDK 7. You can work with JDK 14, same process. So complete up to here, up to page number 31, 27 to 31, you complete it. And tomorrow we'll continue next pages. Is it clear? Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. No problem. You can continue installing. It will not harm. Generally, when exe files you are installing, system say that it is giving harm. Okay, but will not give any harm. Just you install. JDK, which version you are installing, Pooja? Yeah.